Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Sagittarius, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. Sagittarius, we are picking few cards, guys. So these are for your general energies. I also have a pick a card love reading right after this general energy, guys. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. It may give you more clarity in your situation, guys. So this is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation, guys. Sagittarius. So let's start the reading with these cards here. We have the Hanged Man, Queen of Earth and Three of Fire. So with these cards, guys, in your situation today, Sagittarius, you have faced a lot of trials and you have sacrificed so much in your life, guys, changed yourself so much, and but still things are getting delayed. You may see that in your situation whatever you expected may not happen, and there are some delays and things are not going in that expected way. But you need to understand that some kind of delay or suspension is that universe is a way of protecting you, guys. So maybe things are not going right, but you need to be really practical. You need to do the things that you need to do today, and maybe the day-to-day activities you need to concentrate in that instead of going for huge dreams or goals. And maybe this may not be the time to make huge decisions for you. You just have to wait, guys. Maybe wait for the right time. Things may change, guys, and this is the time for you to build that great foundation in this relationship. Maybe trying to make this person understand or work on this relationship, or in the same way in your career situation you may have time to work with people as a team, have that team spirit, commitment, working together harmoniously. So you need to pay attention to that day-to-day smaller things that you are doing today, guys, Sagittarius, instead of making huge changes or proceeding towards huge goals or dreams or whatever you have, making important decisions. So you need to give up that attachment you have towards your career situation or your personal life situation, guys, towards this love. Maybe you just have to wait and see things, see how things are going today for you all, guys. Just go with the flow and see where it is leading you today, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see with these cards, Sagittarius. So if you give up that expectation, you are not going to be disappointed. You are simply going to see your situation changing, falling into place magically, guys, Sagittarius. So let's see what is the card for your relationship. We have Tower. So there are some huge changes happening in your relationship, guys. Maybe when you have that acceptance for these changes. We were speaking about acceptance for your situation, guys. And you are going to see that your situation is going to transform in a positive way. Maybe certain things were unexpected. That may be the reason for your pain or sorrow. But you will understand that these changes are necessary to bring to change your life in a very positive way, guys, Sagittarius. So that is what I see, guys. Let's see what is the card for your career situation. it is star. So you have people or your circumstance inspiring you, and you are seeing or you are having a great hope for your future or some kind of beginning in your future, guys. Sagittarius. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, Sagittarius, stay tuned for that pick a card love reading I have right now, guys. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation, close your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate. So I will start with this card after a few seconds, guys. Okay, guys, so for those who chose this card, let's see what is the card and what is the reading, guys, with that card. So we have enter the garden of delights. That is the card, guys. So in your situation, guys, for those who have chosen this card, maybe in your past you have seen lot of stressful things. Maybe people have left you and you are immensely hurt and you are not ready to move on. You are still in that sadness and sorrow and you are not enjoying what is right there in front of you. You have not healed from your situation, guys, and you just want to continue in the same way of your life. You are not trying to even change. But you need to understand that life is a flowing river. So only when we change ourselves with how our circumstances are changing, we are going to live, guys. So in order to live a peaceful life, in order to achieve that purpose of our life, you need to move on. Let yourself go from that frozen moments of the past and be ready to taste your present. So what is being offered to you in your present situation? You need not worry, because all that is coming towards you is going to change you in a very beautiful way, and you just need to ready to accept what is coming your way and let go of all the horrors of the past away from you, guys. And this garden here now is to be is to be relished with your senses, tasted, seen, heard, touched and inhaled, and also to be loved. So what is there right in front of you? You must use your senses to realize its true nature, guys. And the new day is here, a new beginning is here. So celebration is imminent and you need to let go of your past to relish what is there right in front of you, guys. So for those who chose this card, that is the reading, guys. So let's see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, guys, let's see what is the card, and it is Snow White and Rose Red, sister love. So with this card, the energy is that, guys, you need to appreciate even the smallest things you have, guys. Whatever blessings you have, maybe blessings in the form of possessions, things or people, friends, whatever it is. So when you appreciate even the smaller things, smaller fortunes you are having today, it is simply going to multiply and you are going to enjoy greater things in life, guys. So you need to make this a habit to have that peace, happiness and contentment in your heart today. And just like the sisters we see here in this card, guys, one sister is for darkness and one is for light. So we all have that light and dark within ourselves, and we must never reject what we do not like, the aspects of our own self, but we should understand it, and we should be able to embrace both the aspects and work in harmony, guys. So we need not make people afraid by the darkness we have in us, but we should use it as an opportunity to be generous, to be kind, and to solidify the bonds we have with the people in our life. So that is the blessing we can wish for and ask for in our situation. And also, you need to understand that you should have that clarity in your heart and be able to see beyond appearances, maybe with yourself. Just like you have the light and dark, each and every one of us have that light energy and dark energy in us, and we need to find the right way to communicate with people and have that clarity, guys, in our situation. And this card also stands for a beautiful communication with our loved ones, with our family. So maybe for some of you, if you are expecting or if you want to communicate, that is what is going to happen today, guys. So that is the reading with this card, guys, for those who chose this card. So thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.